Feeding seagulls has become a popular tourist attraction in many coastal areas. Tossing food into the air and watching them swoop down is an exciting experience for visitors. However, while it may seem harmless, this practice has serious consequences. Human food lacks the proper nutrients seagulls need, making them dependent and unhealthy. It also encourages aggressive behavior, leading to overcrowding and conflicts with people. So while it's a fun spectacle, the best way to appreciate seagulls is by observing them in their natural behavior, without interference.